It's been a while since we spoke about Shiba Inu, guys. I want to talk about SHIB in this video. This is a meme coin we covered a few times, especially when the market was seriously heated. And, I think Shiba continues to suffer with the same kind of problems where the supply is just so high in the trillions. You can see we just still not getting enough burning. The burn rate has actually gone down 23%. We're not getting any major burns because there's just no major transactions and, flow of money go through. I think to actually see Shiba have a small supply, like a very low supply, which would dilute, well, actually help with the value of each token, shall I say, it's going to take centuries and centuries. It won't be this lifetime. And honestly, guys, I can't stand seeing articles like this. Here's what could push Shiba Inu all the way to 0.01. It's not happening. You have to remove 3 zeros for that, which is going to put the market cap to 850, $8.5 trillion. That is not happening. So please don't be, someone that gets completely sucked up into believing a narrative like this one, just because it's speculative, and I completely get that, but it just does not mathematically make sense. So Shiba Inu up 6% on the month, on the week it's up 2.4%. On the day it's down 0.44%. So the thing is, Shiba's been so boring. It's been so boring. There's not really been anything to kind of get excited about. Even during the bullish phase that we had, I don't personally think we'll see Shiba get back to a $35 billion market cap. That's my honest opinion. And I think Pepe coin was the Shiba and the Dogecoin of this particular cycle. So just looking at what's going on, of course, we want to see some more momentum here. This is an absolute mess. I do apologize. So yeah, I mean, right now we're sitting in basically an ascending triangle for Shiba. We had this massive downtrend, which has finally been broken out of a little bit. But to be fair, we're still in a macro low, right? We're still at quite a low point. That was our local high that we obtained in December 2024, and we're still down massively from that particular play. We're down 57%. And of course, the major high before then was March 2024. So we actually had its own independent beam pump in March 2024. It tried again in December 2024, didn't get there, even though the market was highly liquid here, much more bullish here versus this one. This is where Pepe had its outbreak. But it just seems like actually Shiba is just printing lower highs over and over again. So I don't know where the next high can be. I don't know if it's going to go to all-time high ever again. And that's one of the sad truths about Shiba Inu. That's why this was so anomalous here, where we had COVID, we had stimulus money, we had Elon Musk shilling meme coins, and it was just so different. There's also less meme competition. We didn't have the meme coin super cycle, so therefore it's easier to divert all the liquidity into just a few big projects rather than thousands of different projects. So sure, the market capital of meme coins is higher, this time round. When you actually look at the meme coin super cycle, it got to $127 billion. Last time it only got to $83 billion, but there were less coins to saturate and there was less competition, less meme coin competition out there in the market. So that's why you got to be realistic with these coins. Now, long term, it could be a possibility, but to get a catapult god candle back to here, do a 5x, I think is quite unlikely at the moment. Now, I would personally love to see a retest of the resistance over here, up 131% over 2x, which is still a lot to ask for. But we should look at the smaller picture for now and just be looking at these sort of plays here. So if we just pump up, for example, to our 1618 Fibonacci, it takes us up 33%, which is, realistic. It's a realistic move to the upside. And, these are the things I'm looking for. Of course, we could lose support and we could still come down lower, like 15% or something like that. So yeah, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. I am absolutely not a financial advisor, and meme coins are very risky. If you are looking to obtain cryptos, trade cryptos, you can use MEXC, link down below. I'm currently trading a bit of Pepe coin here at the moment, as I'm hoping we will see some sort of movement to the upside. But yeah, you can trade hundreds of different coins with MEXC. Easy to sign up in seconds, very safe to do so, and you might also have some bonuses waiting for you at the same time. What else is going on? The market is back to greed. So we're seeing a bit of greed in the market where things are getting a little bit more exciting. Bitcoin is also showing a very nice quarter, up 32% here. April's been good. May has also been really good. And overall, we could potentially get a good June take place. We want a good July. We want a good August. We want a good September. October, November, which usually September, the Burr months in crypto are very strong when winter comes, especially for most European countries. I think, the market switches on because people are probably enjoying their summer, not really paying so much attention to developing and things. And it sounds crazy, but I still think that's so true. That's why I try to do most of my selling in the Burr months. I try to sell out in November, December, because I just believe that they perform much better for some reason. What else we got, guys? A bit of news. You're looking for some very, very hot, big trading signals like this. My group down below, Jacob's Crypto Clan, making a lot of big trades at the moment. As you can see, they are using things to help them, like x1wave.com, which is my new trading indicator, which you can check out, by the way. Have a look at it. Following easy buy and sell signals. Very easy to follow. Just look at it, follow away as you go. And yeah, you can see here, $27.50 a month, or alternatively become a crypto legend over here. We've only got 3 slots remaining for $110 per month and get everything. Get all the early alphas, education, resources, access to crypto college, and learn how to trade, and hopefully find the next big tokens. So yeah, that's also something I wanted to mention to you all. Before we go, there's also the Mind of Pepe token, raised now $10.7 million. 3 days, 20 hours to go until this ICO is fully finished. You can buy this with crypto by hitting the buy with crypto button. You can use something like MetaMask wallet here to convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of Mind tokens. Now, one Mind is 0.0037515 dollars, and I really hope this coin does very, very well. You can see here it's effectively an AI agent fused together with a meme coin kind of angle, which is really, really exciting and looks really good. This is their AI agent, which is now live on Twitter, so they're definitely getting more product value here, more fundamental value and utility. It's getting quite a lot of engagements already, and this is the Mind of Pepe channel, as we can see right here, 23.9k followers. Mind of Pepe 5 hours ago. You can see here, analyze mind, high-end signal analysis allows you to make the most informed decisions with their terminal, which is almost complete and almost done as well. You can see up here at the top of their website, it says terminal coming soon. So I'll leave a link down below to research Mind of Pepe if that's something you're also keen on. Check out the Patreon as well. Space is super limited. Ask about pre-sales, ask about trading, ask about anything that you need, and we'll get back to you in the Discord channel. And yeah, sign up to MEXC if you are someone that needs a new exchange. This is what I really enjoy. You got low fees. You don't have to KYC on it. And it's really, just a nice, tidy looking exchange, which you can do all the things you need to with. As you see, looks really nice. It's highly secure, highly liquid, and definitely a very, very popular exchange out there in the crypto space. We'll see you soon, guys. Let us know down below, where do you think Shiba Inu will go? Are you holding, buying, or selling? I would generally love to know your strategy with this token. Bye for now and subscribe. Peace.